What's up, everybody? What's going on? Hopefully you guys all had a good trading day and we paid attention to details. Details is key. This is going to be a short video. We're going to talk basically about what it is that I discussed on my last YouTube video and what I was talking about on Instagram. I posted it and called everything out on Instagram as it was happening on this election day. I hope people were paying attention to what was happening. I was paying attention to the news, but it was more of just listening, just to, see the market's reaction. But I didn't care less about what the news was saying. I was focusing mostly on the charts. And I will show you briefly what it is that I seen and why you could have took a trade based off of no demand and volume spread analysis. So let's get right into it. So you can see, I'll link my previous video in the YouTube details below, and you can see what it is that I was talking about. For example, this area. This happened late into the election around, I think, 7 o'clock, something like that. It was about 7 o'clock, you could say. So let's go into the 5-minute and see what it is that we seen. So it was right here. So I already drew this out previously before. As I said, it's not like I'm putting this after the fact. So nobody can tell me that this looks good on so-called, after the fact. But I did call this out before. Watch this level for a supply zone. And this is exactly what happened. We had push up into here. We had this first reaction. Let's go back a little bit right there. You see this right here, this volume bar right here? This is 5 minutes. This amount of volume to come in during that time, I know it's election time, but even though this strong volume with a push down, the next candle was not good though. There's no confirmation to enter the trade for a short. Still no confirmation, still no confirmation. We come in here. We're starting to see a little bit, push-ups, pull back, push up, pull back. So this is what it is that I was looking at exactly. I seen candle bars that were starting to form, so-called looking like a bullish up move, but every single time they would reach a certain level, which was this level right here, we would get a key push down. Even on the 1-minute chart, you could see it. Push down, reaction was good. Push back up, we get a reaction downside. We get a fake break right here and right here, reaction down. I still won't enter this trade because it's election and things are way too risky. I discussed this on my YouTube last video, and you can see. But now we're coming into key areas. So the thing is, you can look for is this. You can look for two things. First, you can look for a no demand. Did not happen. But the second most important thing would have been was a break back down to this level and then a retest below these. We had it multiple times. We had the break, a close, but the close was good, and we had a retest. This is all selling. So as we go down, bears come in, they sell again right there in the next candle. It's not like they're waiting for it to come back up to sell. So like for example over here, they sold here, came up, they sold again. It came up higher, they sold. Then it started to form here. They're selling now, comes up to here, they're selling, comes up to here, they're selling. But this is more the close, they sell. Close, they sell. Close, they sell. They're not waiting for it to go back up to the next candle above it. So now this is all indication. Even though volume is kicking in, this is all indication of selling. This is not buying, this is selling. Because of these, big body candles, bear body candles, and we're getting a push down. Then you have this right here. I don't know how accurate this came out to be. Remember yesterday the markets was just crazy. I'm going to show exactly what I mean in a little bit. But this could have been a no demand. But the thing is for example, I don't know why it didn't show it up here on my other brokers that I was looking at. Multiple ones showed it right here. So you could have entered right here with a stop above here, mental stop loss, or above the last three, above here. I wouldn't like to put it there. I'd rather have put here. I know it's a big stop loss, but you know the potential is very nice down move because this is a nice supply zone. So then you had the confirmation here. You entered trade. Then I'm gonna show you how crazy the market was yesterday. Look at this. This is multiple times trying to attempt to break this. Couldn't happen. And then look what happened here. You had to push down all of this, broke it all. Stop losses got taken out. And then all of a sudden people said, oh, I'm not sure what's happening. We close right here. Bears are also selling. They come and they sell again here. You see this candle right here? On the 1 minute, I'm going to show it. This happened within, I think it was like 11 seconds. Literally, probably even less. Because I was watching it live as we speak. And I was watching the chart. Listening to the news, but watching the chart was the most important thing right here. So let's get a zoom in right here. You can see it. This is a 1 minute candle. This is a 1 minute candle. Look at this move. 1882. 1900. But this whole entire drop that you're seeing here happened literally within 11 seconds, probably less. All this drop right here. So this was a huge sell-off, but we came into a key area that is why you had the reaction so strong up. It was this mini demand zone that I called out before. It came into it, took out stops that had everybody a stop loss here. Because of this, buying, stop loss below, came, took everybody out, and then just rushed back right up. You can see it right there. And then basically pretty much we're having this. That was a nice call yesterday. There was other entries that you could have made, but I'm not going to get into that. Let's just discuss real quickly about what is happening now. Because of the fact that the elections got extended to today, I am going to give a little perspective on what it is that I'm seeing. We go back to the 1 hour now. Key is the 1 hour. See what's happening. This trend line right here is still a strong one, so struggling to break it. I won't sell, I won't buy here. I need zones that are strong because of the fact that we have elections coming in. If this was an election day, there would be way different ways to sell this. For me, it would be more of a short, but I would look, but not during this time of day. Anyways, this is the level we're going to look at. If price gets back up to here again, which it's looking like it might get up to here because of the fact that we are having bulls buy the close, buy the close, buy the close. Right here, indecision, buy the close. We're getting push-ups. Let's see what's going to happen. After this level right here, the next level I would look for is this. So let's draw it out. We gotta look. Let's look from right here to that right there. Sorry about that. I hate when this happens, but okay. Let's draw it out right there. Hold on. We extend it out to right here. And this is the key area why we are drawing this is two things. This is the last high after this with volume, clear indication that selling came in here. So there's going to be a lot of bears here. So this is a key supply zone. And you had a different candle, so double top You can look at this on a 4-hour, show the same thing, double top, daily, double top, show you the same thing. So this is very key, this area. This is going to be a very strong supply zone. If it does reach up to here, I will be looking very close at it to short it, but need confirmation. Very strong confirmation. And let's extend this out so we can see exactly what it is we're looking at. Remember, we draw these zones from the close on high volume. Close, first one, back to a second one to see from the high. And this is what we're going to be looking at. As far as long positions go, the next long position would be first right here. Extend this out to over here. The next long position will be right here in this mini demand zone. This would probably be more of a quick reaction kind of demand zone. But the next key strong demand zone is down here. So these are the areas what I'm looking at running in today. Till New York session, see what happens. Again, I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, helps out, like, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And peace out.